ma-achieve mo siya. Pero hard niya pa din gawin siya.
So is there a particular tool that you like using for specific types of hair?
Depende kasi AirUp is for everyone nga, di ba? So,
True.
you can use every attachment or tools ng AirUp. All Dyson products actually. Lalo na yung Air Straight. Kung gusto niyo ng silky straight ng super bilis, yung Air Straight, bongga yun. Kung hindi niyo pa na-try later, you guys have time to play with all the Dyson tools there. Hindi ko alam kung may stock kasi lagi siyang out of stock.
Diba? So
Yeah.
now's your chance. Now that it's all here, this is your chance to stock up on your Dyson favorites. Especially because we're approaching the Christmas season. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to tag Dyson_PH on all your posts today. And of course, hashtag Dyson Airwrap Strawberry Blonde.
Tag us, everyone.
Yes, tag us also. We have Paul Nebres, Kailin Alcantara, and of course myself, Maria Giant on Instagram. Now after today, I'm probably gonna make a series.
Oh, I forgot to say, I switched na to 30 millimeters para to add more definition and same stroke pa rin ang area.
So you use the larger barrel on the board.
Under, yeah.
Okay.
To add body and
Okay.
shape under para hindi siya like super nipistic na.
Oh yeah, I do that also.
Diba?
I do that too. Parang expert na to, si Kylie.
Diba? At saka, everyday, kasi sa everyday, they have to style their hair. So, alam na nila yung specific hairstyle na talagang perfect for them and works with their faces, head shape. Kasi iba-iba talaga eh.
Bagay ba yung curling inwards for everyone?
Well, ito yung trick. Pwede kang mag-inwards under, but
Okay.
sa crown area, that's where you're gonna start curling outwards just to frame the hair.
Okay.
Because that's the most important things. For me, it's the framing. Kasi it really adds parang impact kapag nakikita mo na parang, oh, ang perfect. Yung bangs niya hindi na pupunta sa harapan, yung mga buhok niya hindi gulo-gulo. So, that's the best way to frame your face. So, with AirUp, sobrang bilis. Binabagalan ko, ilang minutes na.
Ayan, ilang minutes na Miss She? Miss Keisha, ilang minutes na? 5 minutes and 20
5
seconds.
minutes pero nakakalahati na ako. So, di ba nga sabi ko sa inyo, less than 20 minutes. Pero hindi naman ako mag-20 minutes na styling dito. Baka mabulong tayo lahat dito. So,
Sino ang mahilig mag-curl ng hair dito sa Dyson Era? Meron ba? Hands up, eto. Pero nag-straight hair ka today.
yes.
Wow.
So, nasa crown area na ako. We can use the
Switch lounge.
yeah,
So easy.
switch lang. So, yan, ganyan lang. Hindi nyo kailangan mag-effort kasi tinatayo nyo lang talaga yung air barrel sa harap or sa gilid nyo. Automatic na siya na mismo yung mag-curl ng hair.
Na-notice ko nga, mas mabilis mo pang in-curl yung hair
Diba?
kaysa nagbigay ng instructions. Diba?
Tsaka I'm not doing pa the cold blast since nasa indoors naman tayo. If you want talaga long-lasting and you have a whole day of events or mga parties and outdoors, so do the cold blast, the one I told you earlier. Mas mabilis.
Right, para masad siya talaga.
Yeah.
So, Miss Kathleen, do you have any tips for us? For your styling ourselves?
Oh my gosh! Ako po kasi natututo lang din ako sa mga hairstylists.
Yes, yeah.
Katulad, of course, unlike yung isang Paul.
Grabe.
Isa talaga.
Yeah, ano ba? Well, with this kasi, what I really like about AirWrap, it's because of its technology.
Yes.
Kasi syempre, it's part of my job to style my hair every single day, to look good every single day.
Without worrying na madadamage yung buhok.
Exactly. Hindi niya nadadamage yung hair ko kahit lagi ko siya ginagamit every single day. So yun lang naman yun.
So
Tips,
switch
ano
tayo
ba
other
tips?
side.
Oh, so switch na tayo. Grabe si Paul, no? Parang habang nag-style, sobrang relaxed lang siya describing.
Kabisado ko na. Kasi sobrang dali lang talaga siyang gamitin. Kaya nga parang natatawa ko when people say, oh, I don't really know how to use it. Hindi ko nagagamit yung air-up ko. You just have to play with it.
Siguro mukha lang kasi talaga siyang intimidating.
Sa una talaga, yeah.
Oo, diba?
Pero
It's really easy.
if you have time to play with it, grabe, ibang tulong talaga niya everyday. Na parang, ay, hindi ko na kailangan mag-worry.
Diba? Kasi
Maganda na buhok ko kasi may
maganda
air-up ako
siya.
later.
No matter what. So on your hair, how
Yeah.
long does it take you to style the with the Dyson?
Parang 5 minutes, sobra-sobra pa yun. Kasi ako, nagsusuklay lang ako and then brush. So what I use is the smoothing brush. Binabrush ko lang siya and it adds volume on your scalp talaga.
Okay.
Yeah, you just have to brush it on the opposite way para lang mabigyan mo ng volume your hair. Yeah, opposite, yeah. Suklayin mo lang siya and then hand-comb mo lang siya after meron ng volume agad.
I love it. I can see your hair like growing. I want to see it also. It's coming alive. I can't keep my eyes off of it.
Ready na makipag-date
I was not expecting this.
party. Madali lang kasing air
Pwede na
up.
ba? Pwede na ba mag-date?
Diba?
Or baka too corporate?
Change ka lang ng ng
Off lang yung jacket.
yung jacket lang, ready to party na agad.
So from daytime to nighttime, kahit anong activity mo during the day, you could just go from one to another. And especially, in our weather here in the Philippines, we have
Super
a very
humid.
humid
Yeah.
climate.
True. Oh my gosh.
Yes.
So I'm almost done.
Kaya nga nakakatulog yung
Saktong
cold
10
blast,
minutes.
diba? Because it really makes sure that you have really long-lasting curls throughout the day. Oh, I hope you guys are still enjoying your time during our demo. Please enjoy the snacks and drinks that the servers
If you
are
have
passing around.
questions, feel free to ask questions. Also, if we don't have time later, we can catch up in Instagram, message us.
Exactly. Don't
Diba?
forget to follow.
So ito na yung favorite part ko ngayon. It's the round brush. A lot of you guys doesn't know how to use this. So,
Especially me.
yeah. So you just have to, kasi it adds really talaga volume to your hair. So, wrap mo lang muna yung buhok mo. Just wrap your hair
So in
the way you like it. Pero si Sabrina, di ba, like inwards yung bangs niya.
Oo.
So, tsaka mo lang i-blast yung air. And then, patagalin mo lang ng 5 to 10 seconds, you have a nice haircut.
Grabe, I wish you could see it from the back. It's so voluminous.
Yeah.
Ang ganda, di ba? Grabe.
So, ikot nyo lang ulit and then,
Parang gusto ko na mag-cut ng hair ko ng ganito.
Diba?
Para
Ang
achieve
ganda.
na yung Sabrina.
so yeah.
Nako, kasi ginawa mo itong hairstyle na ito, maging trending na naman ito po.
Yeah. So, add a little hairspray or texturizing spray lang sa hair nyo to finish it. Bago nyo siya i-comb.
Wow! And you didn't even have to comb it through that much.
Yeah, wala pa nga eh.
Tsaka hindi din sobrang luto yung curls niya.
Diba?
Very gentle, very smooth,
So, you can
very
just
demure, very mindful, very cutesy, very considerate. Ganda! Ganda!
Thanks, Nikki. Support na support.
So in addition to the fact that there's so many ways to style your hair with the Dyson Era,
Yeah.
you also don't need to bring that many like combs
Yeah.
or brushes.
Andyan na lahat.
It's all there. Amazing. Spray net na lang.
Yeah. To add more shine or texture.
Miss Keisha. Ayan, 11 minutes from start to finish.
Diba? Bilis.
With the Sabrina Carpenter hair. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Our final look at hair tips for styling by the one and only celebrity stylist, Paul Nebres. And of course, our celebrity
so much,
Oh, let's give
Kailin.
another